In this chapter, we wanted to know how to represent fractions on the number line. How to represent fractions on the number line. For example, represent 1/3 on the number line. What shall we do? We have steps. Step number 1, draw a line or a straight line like this. Mark and label the starting point 0 on the left side and the ending point 1 on the right side. So, any straight line or any number line, its starting point 0 on the left side and the ending point 1 on the right side. Step number 2, look at the denominator of the fraction. Look at the denominator. The denominator here is the bottom number or the down number. Okay, here we have 3. So, this number line, we want to split it to 3 equal parts. Again, this straight line or this number line, we want to split it into 3 equal parts. What shall we do? You should make 2 dashes inside the number line, like this, to split it into 3 equal parts. Okay? Another example. When the denominator is 5, how many dashes we will need to split the number line into 5 equal parts? Subtract 1 from the denominator, so we will need 4 dashes. 4 dashes. Okay, another example, when we have the denominator is 7, how many dash we will need to make 7 equal parts? Don't forget, subtract 1. So we will need 6 dashes to make 7 equal parts. Okay? Step number 3. Label each dash with an order from 0 over 3, like this. Convert this 0 to be a fraction by using the denominator 3. Okay? So 0 over 3, after 0 over 3, 1 over 3, after 1 over 3, 2 over 3, in the order till the whole fraction is 3 over 3. Let's remember together, the whole fraction is a fraction. Its numerator and denominator are same, like 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, 6 over 6, and so on. Number 4, so the location of 1 over 3 on the number line is the distance between 0 over 3 and 1 over 3. Join the distance between 0 over 3, the starting point, and 1 over 3. Let's move to our math book. Lesson 81, the Math Journal. Here we have a table and 2 columns. The first column about what do you understand about fractions on the number line. What I understand? I understand the whole one equals 2 halves, 3 thirds, 4 fourths, 5 fifths, and so on. Okay, what I have questions about. If you have any question, you can write in the comments. Okay, the next page here, lesson 82, the connect part. Here we have stories and number lines. Okay, we want to match each story by its number line. Number 1, Aya had a rope. she needed 1/2 of it for a project. Okay, the first step here, our fraction is 1/2. Okay, look at the denominator. The denominator here is what? Is 2. So it means 2 equal parts in the number line. We want 2 equal parts in the number line, on the number line. Okay, so to make 2 equal parts on the number line, you should know we will need how many dash? How many dash? Subtract 1 from the denominator. So we will need only 1 dash to make 2 equal parts. Okay, here we have 3 number lines. Which number line has 2 equal parts and 1 dash? The first, the second, or the third? Yes, the second has 2 equal parts. Step number 2, label each dash by the fraction by using the denominator 2. Okay, like this. 0, convert it to be fraction 0/2. After 0/2, 1/2 till the whole fraction 2/2. Okay, to locate 1/2 on the number line, you should match or join the distance between 0/2 and 1/2, like this. Okay, so here I can match this story by its number line. Number 2, Omar had a meter of wood. He needed 1/3 of the meter for a bird house. Our fraction here is third. Look at the denominator. The denominator here is what? Is 3. It means what? It means 3 equal parts. Which number line here has 3 equal parts? Or another way, we need how many dash to make 3 equal parts on the number line? Subtract 1 from the denominator. How many dash? 2 dashes. We want 2 dashes to make 3 equal parts. Okay, the first or the second one? Yes, the first number line. Okay, the second step, label each dash by the fraction 0/3, 1/3, 2/3 till the whole fraction 3/3. Okay? Join the distance between 0/3 and 1/3. This is the location of third on the number line. Match. Number 3. Sarah was sewing beads onto a meter of ribbon. She wanted to sew a bead on each 1/4 of the ribbon. What shall we do? Our fraction here is 1/4. Look at the denominator. Is 4. So we wanted to split the number line into 4 equal parts. Okay? By making how many dash? Subtract 1 from the denominator. Yes, 3 dashes. So here the last one, the last number line has 4 equal parts. Okay? Step number 2, label each dash by the fraction by using the denominator 4. So convert 0 to be 0/4. After 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 till the whole fraction 4/4. Okay? The location here is like this. Join this story by its number line. Let's start the reply part. Group practice. Our practice here. Number one, represent fourths on the number line. Fourths, it means what? How many equal parts? Yes, four equal parts. So we want to split this number line into four equal parts by making how many dash inside the number line? Yes, three dashes. Three dashes inside the number line. Don't forget to label each dash by the fraction. 0 will be 0 over 4, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4 till 4 over 4. Number 2, at the park there was a straight 1 kilometer path. Every 1 over 6 of the path there was a drinking fountain. Use the number line to identify where each drinking fountain was located. Okay, our fraction here is 1 over 6. Look at the denominator is 6. So we want to split this number line into 6 equal parts. By making how many dash? Subtract 1 from the denominator. 5 dashes. So to split this number line into 6 equal parts, you should make 5 dashes. Step number 2, label each dash by its fraction. 0 over 6, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, and so on till the whole fraction 6 over 6. The second practice here, we have problems and we wanted to draw a number line to represent each story. Number 1, Ali needs to wrap presents. He lays the ribbon flat and says, if I make 3 equally spaced cuts, I will have just enough pieces. I can use one piece for each present. Draw a number line to show Ali's ribbon and the cuts he will make. Here he said I make 3 equally spaced cuts. 3 equally, it means 3 equal parts. Okay, we wanted to draw a number line by making 3 equal parts. Like this. The starting point on the left side is 0 and the ending point on the right side is 1. Split this number line into 3 equal parts by making how many dash? Yes, 2 dashes. 2 dashes. Label each dash by its fraction. Here we have 3 equal parts. It means the denominator must be 3. Okay, so 0 will be 0 over 3, after 0 over 3, 1 over 3, after 1 over 3, 2 over 3, till the whole fraction 3 over 3. Okay, we have two questions. Number 1, how many presents can Ali wrap? How many presents here? He said I can use one piece for each present. So here, how many pieces? How many parts in the number line here? How many parts? Yes, 3 parts. 3 presents. Okay? Number 2, what fraction of the whole ribbon is used for each present? What is the fraction for each present, for each part? The fraction here, each present. He said one piece for each present, one piece from the total. The total, how many parts? 3. I want one part, so the fraction 1 out of 3, the total. Okay, so the fraction of the whole ribbon is used for each present is 1/3. The last example in this page, number 2, Mariam is planting flowers in her 1 meter long rectangular plant box. She divides the plant box into sections, 1/8 of a meter in length. She then plants one seed in each section. Draw and label number line representing the plant box from 0 meters to 1 meter. Okay, here she divides the plant box into sections. Okay, the fraction here is 1/8. 8 as a denominator. It means how many equal parts? Yes, it means 8 equal parts. Okay, so here we have how many sections? How many parts? 8. So we have here 8 sections. Okay, let's draw the number line. Here the number line by starting point 0 on the left side and the ending point 1 on the right side. Here we need how many dash to make 8 equal parts? Subtract 1 from the denominator. Yes, 7. We need 7 dashes. Don't forget to label each dash by its fraction. Starting from 0, 0 will be 0/8. After 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, and so on till the whole fraction 8/8. Okay? We have a question down. How many seeds can Mariam plant? Okay, Mariam plants one seed in each sections. And I said we have how many sections? 8 sections. So we have how many seeds in all sections? She plants one seed in each section. So 8 seeds. 8 seeds. Okay, the next page here, example 3 and 4, you can solve it as a homework. Our challenge here, write a fraction story problem in the box below that you could use the number line to help solve. Okay, look at the number line. This number line split or divide into how many equal parts? Yes, 3 equal parts. So the denominator here must be what? Must be 3. Okay, the story problem here, mom baked one pizza. She wants to distribute it equally between her 3 kids. Why 3? Because we have 3 equal parts on the number line. What will be the share for each kid? Huh? We have a pizza, and this pizza we distribute it into 3 equal parts. Each one will take how many parts? The fraction of each one. Each one will take one part out of the total 3. Okay, so the fraction here 1/3. 1/3. Label the dashes up: 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. So each kid will take 1/3. let's learn a new topic about proper fraction and unit fraction. These types of fractions. Proper fraction. What about proper fraction? It's a fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator. Okay, it means the number on the top must be smaller than the number on the bottom. For example, 1 over 3, 5 over 9, 4 over 8, 6 over 10, and so on. Okay? The unit fraction, it's a proper fraction whose numerator is 1. So, the unit fraction, it's a fraction or it's a proper fraction. The numerator must be 1, like 1 over 2, 1 over 10, 1 over 8, 1 over 7, 1 over 100, 1 over 1000, and so on. So, the numerator must be 1. It's called unit fraction. Unit fraction. So, the relation between proper fraction and unit fraction. The unit fraction is a proper fraction, but the numerator must be 1. Let's start lesson 83, the connect part. Number 1, Iz says that each of these models shows 1/4 or 1/4. Do you agree or disagree? Explain your thinking in the box below. Okay, here we have 3 models. The first model here is a circle. What is the fraction of this circle? How many colored parts here? How many colored parts? Yes, 1 colored part out of the total parts. The total parts, it means the colored and not colored. 4 total parts. So the fraction here is 1 out of 4. 1 colored part out of 4 the total parts. Okay, the second model we have set of apples. Set of apples. What is the fraction of the red apple in this set? Ask yourself, how many red apples here? Yes, 1 red apple out of the total apples. 4. So the fraction here 1 out of 4. The third model we have number line. How many colored distance here? 1. How many total parts or total pieces? 4. So the colored parts 1 and the total parts 4. So the fraction here 1 out of 4. Do you agree or disagree? Yes. Yes, I agree. Let's move to the next page, the apply part. We have group practice here. The first rectangle. We have 2 fractions and we wanted to compare between these 2 fractions by using the number line, by representing on the number line. Okay, 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, half and quarter. Let's represent half on the number line. Look at the denominator is. The denominator, it means the bottom number is 2. So it means 2 equal parts. We want to split this number line into 2 equal parts by making how many dash? Yes, 1 dash to make 2 equal parts. Label each dash by its fraction. 0 will be 0 over 2, 1 over 2, 2 over 2. Step number 3, locate 1 over 2 on this number line. It's the distance between the starting point 0 over 2 and 1 over 2. This is the location of 1 over 2. By the same way, let's represent 1 over 4. Look at the denominator. The bottom number is 4. It means 4 equal parts. We want to split this number line into 4 equal parts by making how many dash? Yes, 3 dashes. Like this. Okay? Label each dash by its fraction. 0 will be 0 over 4, 1 over 4, 2 over 4 in order till 4 over 4. Let's locate 1 over 4. Join the distance between 0 over 4 and 1 over 4. Which is bigger here? Half or quarter? Look at the distance up and the distance down. Yes, half is bigger than quarter. By the same way, we will compare between half and third. I will ask you a question. 1 over 2 is called what fraction? When the numerator is 1, it's called what fraction? The name of this fraction is what? I said it in the previous slide. It's called unit fraction. When the fraction, its numerator is 1, it's called unit fraction. Okay? So, let's split the number line to represent half like the previous example by making 1 dash and label each dash 1 over 2, 0 over 2, 1 over 2, 2 over 2. Join the distance between 0 over 2 and 1 over 2 to represent half, to locate half on the number line. And also by the same way, third, it's called unit fraction. Okay? Why? Because the numerator is 1. What shall we do? How many dash? 2 dashes to make 3 equal parts. Label each dash 0 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3 till the whole fraction 3 over 3. Let's locate third by joining between the starting point and 1 over 3. Which is bigger? Up or down? Half or third? Look at the distance up and the distance down. Yes, half is bigger than third. Let's complete the previous example, comparing between 1 over 6 and 1 over 3. Let's represent each fraction. 1 over 6, it means 6 as a denominator, it means 6 equal parts. So you should split this number line into 6 equal parts. By making how many dash to make 6 equal parts? Yes, 5 dashes to make 6 equal parts. Okay? Label each dash 0 over 6, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, and so on till 6 over 6. The location of 1 over 6 is the distance between the starting point 0 over 6 and 1 over 6. Okay, let's represent also 1 over 3. We said it in the previous paper. Okay, also 2 dashes to make 3 equal parts and label each dash 0 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3 till 3 over 3. So join the distance between 0 over 3 and 1 over 3 to locate 1 over 3. Which is bigger, 1 over 6 or 1 over 3? Yes, 1 over 3 is bigger than 1 over 6. Also, by the same way, 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. To split this number line, and the denominator is 4, 4 equal parts, make how many dash? 3 dashes. Label each dash and locate 1 over 4 by joining between 0 over 4 and 1 over 4. 1 over 8, how many dash we will need to make 8 equal parts? We said before, when the denominator is 8, it means 8 equal parts. We will need 7 dashes. Label each dash by its fraction, 0 over 8, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and so on till stop 8 over 8, the whole fraction. Locate 1 over 8 by joining between 0 over 8 and 1 over 8. Which is bigger, 1 over 4 or 1 over 8 on the number line? Yes, 1 over 4. The last one by the same way. This example you can solve it by another way. We take it in primary 2. This is a crazy fraction, okay? 1 over 4 and 1 over 8, it's a crazy fraction because we have same numerators, okay? And when we have crazy fraction, the big is small and the small is big. So 1 over 4 is bigger than 1 over 8. 1 over 8 is smaller than 1 over 4, or 1 over 8 is smaller than 1 over 4, okay? And also 1 over 3 and 1 over 6, it's a crazy fraction. Why? Because they have same numerators. The small is big and the big is small. So third is bigger than 1 over 6. The next page you can solve it as a homework. It's very easy by the same way. Comparing fractions. What about comparing fractions? We have two types, crazy fractions and normal fractions. What about crazy fractions and what about normal fractions? Number one, if the denominators are the same, it's called normal fractions. Let's remember together, denominators, it means the number on the bottom, okay? But the numerators, it means the number on the top. For example, 1 over 4 and 3 over 4. Which is bigger? It's crazy or normal? It's normal. Why? Because the denominators are the same. So compare between 3 and 1. Which is big in normal? 3 or 1? Yes, 3. So 3 over 4 is bigger than 1 over 4. It's normal. But if the numerators are the same, it's called crazy fraction. For example, 1 over 9 and 1 over 5. It's crazy. Why? Because the numerators are the same. Look at down. 5 and 9. Crazy fractions, it means the big is small and the small is big. The big is small and the small is big. So, which is bigger here? 1 over 9 or 1 over 5? Yes, 1 over 5 is bigger than 1 over 9. Let's start with lesson 84, the connect part. Look at the student's work below. Identify what the student did correctly and what they did wrong. Here we have line plot. Use the line plot to figure out how many students jumped higher than 34. Okay, the students answer according to the line plot. 9 students jumped higher than 34. Remember, x equals 1 student. What did the student do right? They draw the line plot correctly, but the mistake here is what? Their answer or their response was wrong because they should add the students on 35, 36, 37 and 38 without 34. Without 34. Let's calculate. 35 we have 2 students. 36 we don't have any students. 37 we have 4 students. 38 we have 2 students. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals 8 students. 8 students, not 9 students. The next page here, the apply part. Group practice, we have number line. Let's count this number line divided into how many parts? Split into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's label each dash by its fraction. 0 over 6, 1 over 6, 2 over 6, and so on till 6 over 6. I will ask you a question here. Let's represent 2 over 6 in this number line. So, the location of 2 over 6 here. What shall we do? You should join the distance between the starting point 0 over 6 till 2 over 6. Okay? Okay. The next example here, comparing between two fractions by using drawing a model. Here we have two ways to solve. The first way, you can solve it by it's crazy or normal. Okay? The second way, you can solve it by using the number line. The first way, it's crazy fractions or normal fractions. Huh? It's normal fractions. Why? Because the denominators are the same. So, which is bigger, 4 or 2 in normal? Yes, 4. So, 4 over 8 is bigger than 2 over 8. Let's move to the second way by using the number line. I draw number line by starting point 0 and the ending point 1 and split this number line into 8 equal parts by making 7 dashes inside it and label each dash by its fraction. Let's locate 2 over 8 and 4 over 8. You should start from the starting point 0 till the fraction, okay? So 2 over 8 join between 0 over 8 till 2 over 8. To represent 4 over 8, you should also starting from 0 over 8 till 4 over 8. Which is bigger here? The red line about 4 over 8 or the yellow line about 2 over 8? Yes, it's clear, 4 over 8. The second, 3 over 6 and 5 over 6 by the same way. It's crazy or normal? It's normal. Why? Because we have same denominators. Look at up. Which is bigger in normal? 5 or 3? Yes, 5. The second way, the number line with the starting point 0 and the ending point 1 and split it to be 6 equal parts. Label each dash in the order. Let's locate 3 over 6 and 5 over 6. Let's locate 5 over 6. You should start from 0 till 5 over 6. Which is bigger here? Huh? The blue line or the yellow line? The blue line about 5 over 6 or the yellow line about 3 over 6? Yes, 5 over 6 is bigger than 3 over 6. By the same way, the last one, it's normal. Why? Because we have same denominators and the big is big and which is big here? The big is big and the small is small. 3 or 2? Yes, 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is bigger than 2 over 4. Let's complete the previous example. Compare between 3 over 3 and 2 over 3. Ask yourself, it's a crazy fraction or normal fraction? Yes, it's normal fraction because we have same denominators. So, compare. Which is bigger, 3 or 2? Yes, 3 is bigger than 2. So, 3 over 3 is bigger than 2 over 3. Number 5, 3 over 8 or 7 over 8? Yes, 7 over 8. Why? Because it's a normal fraction. Our challenge: draw models of the following fractions using a circle, bar, square, or number line. The first one, 5 over 10. Let's represent 5 over 10 by using the number line. I draw number line by starting point 0 and the ending point 1. The denominator here is 10, so it means 10 equal parts. We want to split this number line into 10 equal parts by making how many dash? Yes, 9 dashes. Let's label each dash by its fraction. Finally, let's represent 5 over 10. Remember, you should start from the starting point 0 till our fraction 5 over 10. The second one, 8 over 12. Here I draw a rectangle and I divided it into 12 equal parts. Why? Because the denominator is 12. 8 as a numerator, it means 8 colored parts. So I colored 8 parts out of the total 12 parts. The next page, lesson 85, the connect part. Okay, here we have a table and example. Write the following number in expanded form. The student responds 1846 1000 plus 800 plus 40 tens plus 6 ones. The first column about what did the student do right. He wrote the thousands, hundreds, and ones correct in the expanded form. But the mistake, he wrote the tens wrong. He shouldn't write 40 tens. We have only 4 in the tens place. Let's start the apply part. Here we have some problems and our steps. Divide the number line into the given number of equal parts. Number 2, label all of the fractions on the number line and circle the fraction. Number 4, draw a model of the circled fraction using a shape or a set. Okay, the first, divide the number line into fourths. Fourths, it means what? Fourths, it means how many equal parts? Yes, 4 equal parts. And circle 3 over 4, not 14, it's a mistake. 3 over 4. So, the first step, you should split this number line into 4 equal parts. By making how many dash? Yes, 3 dashes. Step number 2, label each dash by its fraction. Finally, circle 3 over 4. Let's draw a model. Here I have set of stars and I will ask you a question. What is the fraction of the green stars? The green stars. How many green stars? Yes, 3 out of the total stars. 4. Yes. Number 2. Divide the number line into halves. Halves, it means what? How many equal parts? Halves. Yes, 2 as a denominator, it means 2 equal parts. By making how many dash? Yes, 1 dash to make 2 equal parts. Let's label each dash by its fraction. 0 over 2, 1 over 2, 2 over 2. Circle 1 over 2. Our model, set of hearts. The fraction of the blue heart equals what? How many blue? 1 out of the total hearts. 2. So the fraction of the blue heart equals 1 over 2. The third example, divide the number line into 6. Circle 4 over 6. Okay, let's divide or split the number line into 6 equal parts. By making how many dash? 5 dashes. Let's label each dash by its fraction. Okay, finally circle 4 over 6. Our model here, set of triangles. The fraction of blue triangles here equals what? How many blue triangles? 4 out of the total of triangles. 6. So the fraction of blue triangles here equals 4 over 6. The last one, divide the number line into thirds. circle 2 over 3. Like the previous, third, it means 3 equal parts. Let's divide and label each dash, and finally circle 2/3. Our model here, we have set of circles. The fraction of the red circles here equals what? How many red circles? 2 red circles. Out of the total circles, 3. So the fraction of red circles equals 2/3. The second page, you can solve it as a homework like the previous page. Thank you for listening.